Ever dreamt of minting money while sipping coffee in your PJs? Well, the future's here, and it's dazzling. In today's Digital Rendezvous, we're diving deep into the shimmering waters of Midjourney, an AI tool that's turning heads and wallets. From crafting iconic logos to pioneering the next NFT sensation, we're unraveling the top 10 ways to monetize this tech marvel. So if the idea of generating income using AI-generated images tickles your fancy, buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey where pixels meet profit. Curious? Good, let's dive in. Number 1. Sell your best prompts. Ever had those aha moments where you came up with a brilliant prompt? With Midjourney, that idea can transform into a visual masterpiece. And guess what? People are willing to pay for unique and captivating images. You can curate a collection of your best AI-generated images and sell them on platforms like Shutterstock or Getty Images. The beauty of this is once you've created an excellent prompt, Midjourney does the heavy lifting, converting your words into art. Not all prompts might be hits, but that's the fun of it. Trial and error, refine, and before you know it, you'll be a Midjourney maestro. Besides stock platforms, consider reaching out to bloggers, content creators, or advertisers who might need fresh visuals. After all, a picture speaks 1,000 words, and yours could be the one to catch their eye. The best part? It's passive income. Once you've uploaded your images, they could be sold over and over again, filling your pockets while you brainstorm your next big prompt. Number 2. Create logos. In the world of branding, a logo can make or break a business. Now, with Midjourney's magic, crafting a logo has never been simpler. Offer your services to startups or small businesses looking for a rebrand. Understand their vision, input a description, and let Midjourney churn out potential logos. While the tool does an excellent job at interpretation, your creative finesse will be the cherry on top. Tweaking, refining, and providing different variations can make your logo services even more valuable. Remember, every business wants to stand out, and a unique AI-generated logo could be their ticket. Marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork can be great places to kickstart this venture. Showcase a portfolio of your Midjourney creations, and clients will come rushing. And as you gather reviews and testimonials, word will spread about your cutting-edge logo creations. Number 3. Use freelance marketplaces. Midjourney's capabilities align perfectly with the demands of freelance marketplaces. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Guru are teeming with clients in dire need of graphics, whether it's for their websites, blogs, social media, or presentation. There's a vast market waiting to be tapped. Start by setting up compelling profile, showcasing your Midjourney generated works. Ensure potential clients know the power of generative AI and how it can make their projects stand out. As you take on projects, you'll refine your Midjourney skills, understand client needs better, and even get repeat customers. Moreover, freelancing gives you flexibility. Work on your terms at your pace. As you gain experience, you can even premium price your services, showcasing the uniqueness of AI-driven designs. Number 4. Set up print on demand. Imagine wearing a t-shirt with an AI-generated design nobody else has. Cool, right? Well, with print-on-demand services and Midjourney, you can create such exclusive designs for apparel, mugs, posters, and so much more. Platforms like Teespring or Printful make it incredibly easy to upload your designs and sell. Your task is to come up with catchy, engaging, or even quirky prompts. Let Midjourney turn them into visuals, then upload them onto your chosen products. Market them on your social channels, and voila! Every time someone makes a purchase, you earn, without worrying about inventory or shipping. Such exclusivity can also be a brand in itself. Imagine a line of products known for their AI-generated uniqueness. It's a fashion meets tech in the coolest way possible. Number 5. Create and sell books using Amazon KDP. Picture books, children's tales, or even coffee table books can be revolutionized using Midjourney. Craft a story or theme and use Midjourney to generate the accompanying visuals. With Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, you can self-publish these books, offering a fresh AI-generated visual experience. Midjourney can help you cater to niches that love unique imagery. Maybe it's a storybook where each illustration is AI generated, or a collection of AI art. The possibilities are vast, and the market is ripe for such innovations. Remember, every book you publish becomes a source of passive income, and the more you cater to specific niches, the more you can build a brand around your unique offerings. Number 6. Turn real stories into videos. Why stick to static images when you can bring stories to life with videos? Create engaging storyboards using Midjourney images, then use video editing tools to add motion, voiceovers, and sound. Platforms like YouTube or Vimeo are great for showcasing such creations. You could adapt real-life stories, folktales, or even fiction, giving them a fresh spin with Midjourney visuals. Such content is not only engaging, but also share-worthy, increasing your chances of virality. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even by selling video content to interested parties. In a digital-first world, content is king, and you have the crown jewel with Midjourney. Number 7. Grow a social media account. With Midjourney, every post can be a masterpiece. Start an Instagram, Pinterest, or even a Twitter account dedicated to AI-generated art. As you consistently post intriguing images, you'll gather a following of art enthusiasts, tech geeks, and the general audience intrigued by AI prowess. Collaborate with influencers, hold contests, or even provide behind-the-scene glimpses into crafting prompts. The more engaged your audience, the more opportunities to monetize. Think sponsored posts, branded content, or even selling high-resolution prints. Your social media platform can become a hub for AI art, a niche that's both futuristic and captivating. Number 8. Create an NFT project. The world's buzzing with NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, or held as investments. And what's more unique than AI-generated art? Dive into the world of NFTs by minting your Midjourney creations and selling them on platforms like OpenSea or Rarible. Each image, being the result of a unique prompt, has its individuality, making it perfect for the NFT market. As you build a reputation, you could even start entire collections, increasing their value. Remember, while the tech is new, the principles are age-old. It's about uniqueness, value, and presentation. Master these, and the NFT world is your oyster. Number 9. Build an asset. Whether it's a blog, a website, or an online gallery, use Midjourney to create an asset. Populate your platform with AI-generated visuals, attracting visitors with the sheer uniqueness of content. Over time, as traffic grows, monetize through ads, partnerships, or even memberships for exclusive content. Your asset will not only be a testament to Midjourney's capabilities, but also a platform you can leverage for countless monetization avenues. And the best part? It's a long-term gain, promising returns for years to come. Number 10. Create YouTube thumbnails. If a picture speaks 1,000 words, a YouTube thumbnail screams volumes. It's the first thing viewers notice. And with Midjourney, you can craft thumbnails that are not just click-worthy, but unforgettable. Offer your services to YouTubers, or if you have a channel, revamp your thumbnails with AI flair. By ensuring each thumbnail is engaging, unique, and relevant to the video content, you boost click-through rates. This not only increases views, but also boosts channel credibility. For freelancers, this can be a recurring gig. After all, every video needs a thumbnail, and what's better than one crafted with the power of AI? And that's a wrap. Remember, in the world of Midjourney, the only limit is your imagination. Play around, have fun, and watch those digital dollars roll in. Stay curious, stay creative, and until next time, happy generating.